excited to just show you quickly around the Greta. This bag is stunning. So we've got this lovely quilted section at the front, which will be on some of the bags, depending on the leather that we've used. Inside, you've got the mummy pocket. So at the moment, I've been using my antibacterial things. When I go out, I've got my lip gloss and I've got a lip seal in here. And I've always got a hair bubble sitting somewhere in the bottom. At the front, I've got my hand cream. Usually I would have a pen, but it's brand new. I've only been using it for 2 days, so I haven't put one in there yet. I'm going to take you through down to the center section of the bag. Just close that one up. In here, I've got my water bottle, which is the cute little hydrate one. And just to show you the size, I've got a George, so you can fit a wallet in there as well. At the back section here, you've got a zip pocket, so you can put any security items that you want to put, like medication. And on the side here, you've got a little elasticated pocket as well. On the sides, these are really sweet little zip round pockets, so you can keep things safe. Inside here, I've just got my gloves for when I go out so that they're safely stowed away. And then on the other side, I think I have my earphones and medication. Yeah, so I've got my feminine hygiene, I've got some medication, and I've got my earphones tucked away in here. So round the back, just want to show you really quickly, little magnetic closure. So if you want to put your phone in there, it snaps shut and it keeps everything safe. These are coming out in September in multiple colours, and I just cannot wait for them to land.